Broadcasting has certainly taken a different angle within the COVID years in terms of remote production, and we've been satisfying that part of the broadcast chain with our remote intercom solutions. Well, the solutions are really virtual clients and intercom. Our agent IC and station IC are applications that people can use anywhere regionally and get back to the sort of home intercom production system, and allows a much more sort of remote operation to happen. And we're looking at making that a little bit more sort of virtual, and that'll be announcements within the next year. But that, at the moment, plays to our on-premise equipment, like the Clips Matrix and the smaller systems like LQ, allowing this kind of remote operation. From the broadcasting point of view, we're bringing out the latest version of Eclipse, and this has got the extra elements in the SMPTE 2110 IP standards, NMOS for NMOS 4, NMOS 5, for discovery and connection management. So this makes the intercom system knit nicely into an IP fabric on broadcasting operations. And so that will make things a lot easier with people using orchestration to be able to connect the intercom system into their IP. Well, I don't know about what's coming next, but I think people are still building out, moving product from on-premise equipment rooms into cloud. I think that's going to continue. I think there'll be a sort of a knitting of cloud and big data, particularly for people with a lot of asset worth in terms of media asset. For us, that's certainly a direction we're looking at in terms of that kind of off-premise connectivity in the future, including remote diagnostics, intelligent diagnostics about where things are being used and how they're being used, heat maps, for example, perhaps. Intercom does tend to be a little bit of the plumbing in most of these broadcasting operations, but you have to rely on plumbing. When things go wrong, intercom is what you turn to. So we have to be very reliable, have to be easy to set up, we have to connect to everything, Dante, audio, the IP operations, etc. I spoke about, and telephony. All these things have to play their part, and we have to do it for fixed stations, mobile stations, people on wireless, and so forth. So it becomes exciting for those who get their hands into it, But we have to move forward, and there's a lot of pull in terms of moving things away, as I say, from on-premise. There's also a lot more interest in being able to set things up quickly and have multiple faceted intercom, like, as I say, wireless, remote, fixed stations. And the Arcadia system that Release 3 that we're launching here at this show is a really good solution for those people who want a bit of wireless. They want some people on fixed stations. They want to be able to manage it centrally in a sort of a web browser operation. So Arcadia has been the solution for both small broadcast and our AV markets.